Hi everybody. I just doing a quick video this morning. I'm going to ask my lovely Diana Pendulum a question. Last night I asked Aggie, why does Harry not like Catherine? Because they used to get along so well. And the answer that came out from Aggie, well, I'm just going to tell you. It said that she told Fergie that she, doesn't like what it was strongly dislike um, Prince Harry. But I don't believe that. And then later I asked, did she really say that? And it said no, that Fergie had told him that. So number one, I'm going to use the protection spray and ask Archangel Michael to protect this reading, protect this house, protect me and my space here. And we are going to just ask Diana today. I have made sure that also, I have put the pendulums in a bag, and protect them. So it's kind of weird because I haven't used Aggie in a little bit. So we're just going to ask Diana. Diana, please tell us, does Prince Harry like Catherine? And that says no. So is Fergie the one causing this rift and keeping on with the feud? Look at that, guys. It's going straight to yes, and I'm holding my hand as still as I can. Let me see if you can see my, I guess you can see my hand. Yeah, okay. So, is she still, I'm going to ask this, is Fergie, I'm going to give it a kickstart here. Is Fergie still in contact with Harry? Look at that. It's going to yes. Okay, I'm going to ask another question. Does Fergie, does she like the Waleses? Does Fergie like Prince William and Princess Catherine? Okay, that's going to no. Is Fergie the link to, is she leaking the palace, what the palace does? Yes. Now, I've done a reading before about that. You know what? I feel like she's evil, and she deserves Andrew. So, they deserve each other. I think the whole York family is like that. That's my opinion only. So are the Wales, the Prince and Princess of Wales, a threat to Fergie? And yes. Why do they? Oh my goodness. So okay, what about Charles now? I thought, I don't know, it probably was a puff piece somewhere a long time ago that they all got along. Does Charles get along with Fergie? Does Charles get along with Fergie? No. And did she tell Harry a lie that Catherine hates him? Yes. Okay, well, Aggie did say that. I can put that other video that I did up. I uploaded it. I didn't really want to, but because, people attack me and everything. But if you want to see it, I guess I can, uh, because of the way that the pendulum worded it. I said, why does Harry not like Catherine? And it says told, you know, but she didn't tell Sarah anything. Sarah lied and said, so that is, I mean, Diana, I love you. But I love all of my pendulums. But I just wanted to get this clarification this morning. So I hope you guys have a great day. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next one.